Quants RC10. Okay. Factory worker. Let's go to question paper mode. Arithmetic, quadratic, geometry. Arithmetic again seems easy. Rule numbers. Okay, this is थोड़ा solve करना पड़ेगा. Rubik's cube. Okay, I don't like this. 8, 9, fine. Arithmetic. Square, what dice is? No, I don't do coordinate. Quadratic, again, easy common root. Arithmetic, 18th is multiples. Little lengthy numbers. Okay. Right angle triangle is easy. IIM. Okay. Okay, fine. Decent number of arithmetic questions can be done. Let's start with this. Sorry, annotate. Yeah, adjusted. So we have A, B, C, and D. Okay. 8 takes 4 days, double 8 days, double 16, and double 32 days. Okay. One of these pairs takes 2/3 the time needed by the other pair. Whose is the first pair? Okay. So 8 by 4 will be what? 4 is a 32. 32 divided by 12, that is 8 by 3 for A by B. Okay. 16 4 is 64 divided by 20. AC is 16 by 5. Okay. AD 36 and 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12. 128 by 36 is around divided by 4 होगा तो 32 by 9. Okay. यहाँ पे अभी भी 2 by 3 तो कोई नहीं हो रहा है. Let's go to BC. Okay. 16 by 8 24 and 8 6 is a 48. Okay, this is 16 by 3. हाँ, ये देखिए 2/3. So AD is 2/3 of BC, right? Yeah. So we will go with Ashish Dhiraj, AD. Save and next. Okay. Okay, very simple summation, K square plus K. So let's take it as natural numbers. So total K here. So K minus the first 50 natural numbers, right? Divided by 2 into 51 into 2, 102 plus K minus 50 minus 1 is K minus, sorry, K minus 49 is 5985 into 2 to 5 the 10, right? So 10, 16, 17, 9, 18, 1, 9, and 11, right? And 102 minus 50 will be 52. So this will be plus 51. Right, 100 minus 40, 60. 62 minus 9 is 51. Perfect. So K minus 50 into K plus 51 is equal to this. So K square plus K will be 50 2,500 plus 50. So total comes down to 14,520. Okay. So it should be 1,4,5,2,0. Done. Perpendiculars, no values given. थोड़ा लंबा लग रहा है. I'll move to the next one first. Yeah, this is pretty simple. 30 people, it's 70. So fixed plus 15x, okay, is equal to 1350 hoga, and fixed plus 30x is 2100. So 15x is equal to 750. That is x is 50, right? So if x is 50, that is 1500. So f is 600. So 600 plus 40 into 50 is 2000. So 2600 or 260 divided by 4 is 6 4s are 24. 205, 65 rupees is the average. SITA again, okay. Identity card box, 10 identity cards of students. These cards belong to the first to 10 row. How many ways? Out of which at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. At least one is odd or prime. Okay, then let's negate the case. In the case where none of it is odd or prime, okay, odd, prime, odd, not prime, odd, not prime, odd, not prime, and odd, not prime. So 10C3 will be total ways, 120, that is, right? Minus 4C3, which is 4. So our answer will be 116 ways, where at least there is a prime or a odd number. So 116. Okay, move ahead. Range question. These take a little time to solve, but okay, let's expand this. Y cube minus y square 3 minus y square a plus 2y plus 3ay minus 2a. Okay. And we want this to be greater than 0. Now, what is common in all these things? So a and y, if I merge these two, so what do I get? 2y minus a. Then if I merge these threes, what do I get? It has to be a minus 3y. Okay, then I have y here and a minus a again plus this, right? And then we are left with this, which is simply y square and y minus a greater than 0. So what do we get in the end? Y square minus 3y plus 2 and y minus a should be greater than 0. Okay, and this is minus 3 is minus 2 minus 1, and minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. So that's why the roots will be okay, greater than 0. Yeah. So y definitely has to be greater than a. So it is between B or C. A is an odd prime number. We need a range for this. Okay. in these given options, if y is less than 1, okay, let's say I only pick 1. Okay, if I pick 1, then this won't satisfy. So I have to go with option C in what is given. It can definitely be determined. So in these three, C makes the most sense. Rubik's Cube, not preferably. So we are done with 5 questions. Yeah, this is simple. So P, M, and S, you take 8 leaps, 9 leaps, and 15 leaps. Okay, we need speed. We have distance, we have 3 leaps, 4 leaps, and 5 leaps. Okay, or it can just be 1/3. Oh, sorry, no, that's, and it's fine, I guess. So directly 8 into 4, okay, is to 9 is to 3, common one, is to 3 into 4 into 3. So it should be 32 is to 27 is to 36. It should be our answer. Simple ratio proportions question. No, I don't do coordinate. Quadratic. Yeah, we can do this. Let's have a look. It has a common root, so let's take it to be x. Okay. So f1 of y is basically equal to, let's take capital Y as a constant, into y minus a right, into y minus 3. Okay, let's take it as a, the common root. And f2 of y is equal to y2 y1 into y minus a into y minus 5. f1 of 5 will be equal to what? 2y1 into y minus a, and f2 of 7 will be equal to, so it will become 4 times y1 y2 into y minus a the whole square is equal to 12. What is the value of the common root? So even if these constants are out, we cannot really determine what is a. Hence, we should stick to cannot be determined. So 7 attempts are done. Okay, this seems pretty easy. 48,000 to be divided in 2 sons aged 8 and 14 years. Equal amount when they reach 21 years. So 7 and 13 years, okay, for the 8-year-old guy and the 14-year-old guy. Share of the elder son. Simple interest. Okay. So let's just do younger plus 13 into 15 is 195 times the principal upon 100. Since they're equal, elder plus 7 into 15, which is 105 times y upon 100. Okay. Just a second. Yeah. So it'll simply be 295y is 205 times E, right? So younger to elder ratio is 5, 4, 1s are 5, 5s are 25 and 9, 59, right? So elder has the lion's share of things, okay? So he will get 59% of whatever it is. Just a second. Yeah, he'll get 0.59 into 480,000, which is 283,200. So my answer is 283,200. Moving on. If we were to calculate multiples of 18, how many of these would be less than 3,500 and two more than a natural number square? So basically I'm trying to say 18x is equal to a square plus 2. Multiples of 18 are all even, right? So I need to cater to that. So it will be 4b square, assuming a is equal to 2b, plus 2 is equal to 18x. And this should all be less than 3,500. 3,500, 4 9s are 36 and 9 is 30 square. So b is less than 30, right? Because if it is 30 square into 4, 36 plus 2, 3602. It is not less than this. So basically I can have my answers between 0 to 29. I need to check how many values are there. Okay, with 0 that won't work. What is the closest? 18, 16. So 2 square 4, 4 for the 16. So one value can be 2. Okay. 3 square 9, 4 9 the 36. No. 4 square 16, 64 plus 66. No. 525, 102 is no. 6 square 36 into 4 is 4 for 13. No. Okay. 7 square 49. 49, right? 49 into 4, 4 9 is 36, 4 16, 17, 18, 19, 198. Now 198 is divisible by 11. It will be 1, 9, and 8, right? So divisible by 11. So we have 2 and 7. Okay. Again, with 9, it is not possible. Okay. And so if you use the cyclicity concept, right? Like between 0 to 8, 9 digits, we got 2 and 9. Then we need to check between 9 to 17. Right. So it'll just be 1 lesser. So it's we got 2, 7. We'll get 11, then we'll get 16. If we have 11, we'll get 20, we'll get 25, and 20, we'll get 29, and 36, we can't go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 should be the answer to this. Very good question on cyclicity concepts. Nine questions done. It's still taken us 20 minutes. So let's fasten the pace a bit. Right angle triangle. Okay. P, Q, R. Angle bisector of R, P, and F. F is a point QP. RQ at E. This is E. Okay. So RPF we have. So simply using those concepts, cos of RPF will be equal to cos of PQR. or sorry, in this case, RPF and QPR are same. QPR, okay, which is basically QP by PR, which is 3 by 5. Okay, we need to find length of PE. So we have to use this concept only. I think I'm on the right path. So cos of QPF, okay, is basically half of RPF, right? QPF is half of RPF, and that formula is root over 1 plus cos of RPF by 2, which is equal to, let's take this length as y, which is QP, that is 3. Okay, QPE, I wrote this wrong, QPE. Okay, QPE divided by PE, which is y. Okay, so we have 1 by 3 by 5, or we have 8 by 10, or we have 4 by 5 root. Okay, so we have y is equal to 3 divided by root 4 by root 5, which is 3 root 5 by 2. L is an odd number, M is an even number. Total solutions. So Lm minus 2L plus M to 598. Make it plus 2 minus 2. Okay. So we have L. So what we get is M minus 2 and into L minus 1 is equal to 600. And what is 600? 600 is firstly 6, 2, 3, 100 is 5 4s are 20 and 20 5s are 100. Okay, so which is 2 cube, 3 and 5 square, which is 4 into 2 into 3, 12, 12 to 24 factors, and we need a multiplication. So 24 by 2, which will be 12 possible solutions. This was easy, it's a kind of question. Okay, chickens 3, goats 5. Goats increase every month starting with a multiple of 2. Okay, so goats are increasing all 12 months. So 12 by 2, n by 2, okay, into, we are just taking the increase right now. So let's say they increase by 2. So 2 into 2, 4, plus 12 minus 1 is 11, into common difference is 2, 22. 2 6 6 into 26, 15, so 156. Okay, and 156 plus 5 is goats become 161, and this says every 3 months by 24. So 24 into 4, 4 is 16, 4 to 9, 96 by 3 is 99 is to 161 as our answer. Right. Pn comprises of a unique sequence of positive numbers following the property. P1 is 64800. P1 is 648 into 100. Okay. 30 P2 Pn, which is perfect square. So perfect square concept is coming. So 8 into 81 into 5 into 5 into 4. Okay. So 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 4, 5 square is P1. P2 will be P1 by 30. And what is 30? 3 to the 6 and 5. So if you just divide it, P2 will be 2, 4, 3 cube and 5. Okay. What is P3? P3 will be P2 by P1, right? This is P3, P2, P1, P2 by P1. Sorry, it will be P2 into P3 is equal to P1. So P3 is P1 by P2, which is 2, 3 and 5 into 36 अगर करेंगे, what is 36? 3 into 12, 3 into 3 into 4, which is 3 square, 2 square. So no, 5 is still single. So P3 is not the answer. Okay. Let's check for P4, which is 2 square, sorry, 2 cube, 3 square, and 5 is eliminated. Okay. P4 is 12 into 12. If we add cube and square is fine. I just need to make 2 even. So 12 is 3 into 4. So 3 becomes a cube. No. So 3 is also not a perfect square. So P4 is out. What is P5? P5 is equal to 2 to the power minus 2, 3 to the power minus 1 into 5. Into 5. So 5 becomes a square, but this is still minus 1. So this is also not. So I won't waste a lot of time. If 3 are eliminated, my answer is automatically option B. And just put that and move ahead. 4-digit number 9PQ1. 9PQ1. PQ are digits and 9 is greater than P, greater than Q, greater than 1. Okay. So P cannot be 2. Okay. Otherwise, this one. So P can be 3. So this will be 2. If P is 4, this will be 4, 3 or 4, 2. If it's 5, it will be 5, 4, 5, 3 and 5, 2. Okay, so it's increasing. So basically 1, 4 का 2 होगा, 3 का 5, 5 का 3, 6 का 4, 7 का 5 and 8 का 6. P cannot be 9. So 6, 4, 10, 5, 3, 8, 9, 10, 20, 21 possibilities with this condition. How would a music teacher decides to buy something? Okay, A is 20% discount and B is 15% discount. How would to buy a piano from shop A? Okay, so 1600 divided by 0.8, which is 16,000 divided by 8, which is 2,000 is my MRP. So 2,000 into 0.15, okay, which is basically 15% of this thing. So that'll be 300. So shop A sells for 1600, shop B sells for 1700, and the difference is 100 rupees. Again, a sitter. How many done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we have 11 minutes left. I'll see this a little later. Yeah, this seems easier. Remove all the perfect square and cubes, ascending order, 240th term of the sequence. Now I see 260, 260 given a lot of times. Okay, so what is 16 square is 216 and 17 square is something in 300s. Okay, so 16 number of squares and cube is 6 6 are 5 5 are 25, 125, 6 6 are 36 and 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18, 19, 20, 21. Two, 1, 6. Okay. And 16 is 6 6 36, 6 6 7 8 9 0 0 1 6 and 256. right? So we have in this range, so we have 16 squares, we have 6 cubes. Anything common? 1 and 2 cube is 8. No, 3 cube 20. 4 cube is 64. So that is also cube. So minus 2. 6, 6, 12 minus 2, 10 and 20. So 259 minus 20 will be 239th term. 260 minus 20 will be the 240th term, which is what we want. Probability I prefer not to do. Okay. Oil merchant, she has certain quantity expensive oil to sell, which is high in demand. Cheap oil with the expensive oil to gain 10% by selling at CP of same. So 1.1 times x is equal to 10. X is basically equal to 100 by 11, which should be my selling, cost price. So I need to get my cost price to 9.09. Okay. So 100 by 11, right? So 10 minus 100 by 11, which is 10 by 11, right? And it'll be 100 minus 11 by 11, 99. Sorry, 89 by 11. So 10 is to 89 should be the ratio in which we need to sell. Okay. Now we have around 5 sums left. Let's just have a look. Not this first, not this. No. This seems the easiest for the time. So p to the power 5 plus q to the power 5 plus r to the power 5 is equal to 9, 1, 8, 4, and 9. Okay. Power 5, right? 5 divided by 5, right? 4 for the 16, 16 was 64. Okay, 64 into 4 is again 16, and again 4 is 4. 3 is 3, 3 is 9, 3 into 9, 7, 1, 3, and 9. So for 9, it is coming back. Okay, so I think anything raised to 5, as far as I remember, gives you the same units. So if unit digit is consistent, that means whether it is p to the power 5 or o, I should get the same unit digit, right? And all 3 unit digits must add to a particular 9. So that means p plus q plus r should be a 9. Can it be 19? There are distinct digits. And how will it be 19? 9, 8, 17, and 2. Or it can be 9, 7, and 3. Or 9, 6, and 4. 9, 5, 5 is not possible. 8, 7, 15, and 5. Sorry, 8, 7, 15, and 4 होगा वो. 6, 8, 14, and 5. And 7, 6 is not possible. So it is one of these only. Since we have the calculator and some amount of time, I'll just explore this thing if I can. Okay, so 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 It's some 59,000 that is coming up. Okay, let's say 59049. This I'm only doing because we have the time, so we can just check it once. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8, 8 plus what we got, 59049. 91817. We need 91849. Right. Rest it can come from 2 to the power 5, which is 32 plus 32. We absolutely got it right. So 987 is what we need. Now when I have 987, so what are my numbers? 2, 9, 5, 8, 1, and 2. I need divisibility 11. So whichever place I put it doesn't matter. I need to do 2 plus 5 plus 1, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sorry, 9, 8, 17, and 2 is 19, which we already found out. Right? 19 minus 8 is 11, and 11 divisible by 11 is absolutely divisible. So our remainder is 0. Done. Now we have around 4 questions. Probability I don't really know. Not strong with the topic. I can give this a try once. PL is perpendicular to QR. Okay. RL, let's take as X. PL is also X. Is equals 2 times QL. So let's take this as X. Let's take this 2X. 2X, right? 8X square, right? Which is 2 root 2X, which will be this. We need RM by PM. So this is also perpendicular. Okay. Now I have 2X here and I need to find this. So it will be 5X square. So PQ is root 5X. I got PQ as root 5X, right? Okay, sort of confusing and not a lot of time left. So we'll just not explore this. This coordinate, no. Okay, I think we are done with this particular mock. Submit this. Okay.